Okay, so this lesson, this tutorial is going to be about creating a little bit of cracks into your tiles here, roof tiles, okay? So let's just kind of get into it. I'm just going to zoom in here. All right, hopefully this is being recorded and we'll go from there. All right, I'm going to tab in and I'm going to stay in edge mode for now. Guys, thank you. This is for you guys, right? Okay. So basically this is a simple tile. What I showed you guys the other day was to add a little bit of bevels first off, right? So I can come in here. I can press Command B for bevel, okay? And I've got a little bevel, so that's a good start. The next thing is, I'm gonna press T for tools over here. I'm gonna add a loop cut, and Maya it's insert edge. And there it is. You see that, right? That's it. You just drop one in, but left click and move it to a side. So you don't always have to center it, but you can if you want to. There it is, we're done. I'm staying in edge mode for a good reason, okay? So check this out. I'm gonna select this edge here, right? And I'm gonna use the bevel tool again. So I'm gonna split it open, okay? So check it out. I can grab just this one and I'll hold shift here, here, these three here, okay? I'll go to bevel, which is Control B or Command B. Okay, so you see I've already done that, right? So the next thing is we want the pop-up to come up. Usually it's not up, right? You have to come over here. And the minute you start adding to it, so you see you have more definition. 2 is fine, it's okay. Remember, this is being seen from afar, okay? This is exactly what I did for the front step, which I'll go in a second, I'll check it out. So now I'm gonna go into vertex mode, pressing 1. Okay, so you see now I can go in, right? I can push this in, just having fun, okay? I'm just kind of coming in here, pushing it in, okay? So already, if I tab out, there's a change, there's a dip, right? So if you want to make this a little more interesting, go back into tab mode, press 2 for edges, and then you can grab this edge and bevel, which is Command B, right? Look, see what I mean? So you can add these kind of randomness, right? I say random because I'm not multi-cutting here. See, I'm just going to grab this here, push it out a bit, you know what I mean? And I'll go into vertex mode, pressing 1, push this down, that kind of thing. So this is all I really did anywhere else. So tab out, nice. See how there's kind of, right? So if I move away now, go to my front step here, I did exactly the same thing, okay? Watch this. See here? So I did a bevel, right? Tab. That's all I did. Okay, now these gaps are super wide right now. Do you see that? They're super wide, right? So if I press SY, bring it in, right? You don't need these gaps to be massive, right? That's my football British accent, from World Cup. That was a massive, anyway, whatever, here. So I'm gonna go click here, left click again, S for scale, and then Y, I'll bring it in. Okay, so you see what I mean? So you can now, that's how I added things. Now I do have a tutorial with a log. The first half isn't that great. The end is that's when I first started with Blender, and I discovered some things that I was able to do in Maya quite easily here. So you can do this on anything you want, right? What's stopping us from coming here, right? You see that? I can add a loop cut in here and make this interesting, right? Tab again, go in, loop cut, pop it in here, bring it down, and just stop. Get out, do the same thing again, right? I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna grab these edges, 1, shift left click, shift left, maybe just these 3 right now, and I'll just go into bevel mode. Okay, that gives me something here, and then I'll let it go 1 more. And I just want to get out of this and just select the middle pieces, right? So I can come in here, push that in. There's a nice indentation already going on, okay? Go into vertex mode and have fun with it. That's pretty much all you need to do for now. That's all I'm gonna take it. We don't have enough time to go into sculpting, but this would be a nice stepping stone, okay? Are we good with that? Yeah? Okay, how long was this one? All right, under 5 minutes. I love those ones. Okay, Balian out.